Hello all and welcome to a bonus video. I have quite a few packages here that I thought I would just unbox on camera and offer some things up for sale. I can give some really good deals on this stuff and I would love to move some of it. So if you see anything that you're interested in, make sure you shoot me an email. If you're new here, my name's Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell on YouTube, Poshmark, and also the RealReal. I normally do mystery unboxings from companies like ThredUp, but I also do a lot of other online sourcing, and I do unbox a lot of it on camera. So if you do like that type of content, I would love to have you subscribe. Make sure you hit your bell notification so you don't miss any bonus uploads, and if you give the video a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great week. I did mention in Monday's video that I had a bunch of shoes that are brand new in the box on the way. Unfortunately, those haven't even shipped yet, but I thought I would open the other stuff that I have and then I can drop the shoes in later if they do arrive. So let's get started. I know there's some Spanx in here, some new with tag purses, and also some clothing. So I don't know if it's going to be of any interest to you guys, but like I said, I need to unbox it anyway, so I thought I would just do it on camera. And some of the items I'll probably have to put some pricing on the screen, but I will try to do some really good prices on everything to get some of this moving. So the first item I have is a handbag that's brand new in the packaging. This is by the brand Christian LaCroix. It's the Diffusion line CXL, so I do believe this is faux leather, and the style is the Clara embossed logo shoulder bag in black, and this had an MSRP of $98. So I'm going to try to just open these carefully so I can get them repackaged up, but here this is. So it does have and it's just a little bit smushed on the corner, but that will straighten out. Everything is brand new. So it does have the CXL logo that's kind of embossed on there. And this is a really nice size actually. It does have a snap closure, a shoulder strap that is adjustable, and it looks like it lengthens quite a bit. So I imagine that could be a crossbody. And it does have a really pretty interior there with a zip pocket, and there are some slips as well. So I'm going to look up comps on that and I will put a price on the screen. But it is super lightweight and definitely holds a lot, so really nice. So that's a good start, and I'm just going to put that there so I can get that repackaged. Next up is also Christian LaCroix. This is the Madison Smooth Clutch, and it does have a detachable chain in black and an MSRP of $78. Get this one opened. And these are packaged really nice, straight from the manufacturer. So this is beautiful. So it does have the Christian LaCroix logo there, really smooth faux leather, and it does have the branding there in the back as well. It has a snap closure. So the chain is actually in the zip pocket in the back. It is a gold tone chain, a very dainty chain, and that can be attached on these D-rings here, or you can carry that as a clutch. That is really, really nice and a good size, and definitely feels like nice quality. So I'll put a price on the screen for that one. If you want any particular measurements on any of these, just let me know. And next up is a French Connection brand, the Mel Quilted Crossbody in black. And this had an MSRP of $88. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is a quilted faux leather, and then it has this matte silver tone little top handle on it. This is so cute. And here is the inside. Now, I don't think this would be big enough to fit a phone in, but it is so cute. It's got a quilted kind of Chanel style chain strap. So this is a really nice size if you're going to a concert and need a tiny bag, and then you could just put your phone in your pocket. I love this one. This is so cute, and really nice quality. Definitely gives a designer look. And then it does say French Connection there on the top handle. And again, that one was MSRP of $88. Love that one. And then the last one in this bag is another Christian LaCroix, MSRP $58. And this is the Blake Pebble Snap Flap Magnetic Closure. So let's take a look at this one. So this looks more like a wallet on chain kind of style, or wallet on strap rather. It does have a wristlet strap and then a shoulder strap. And you do have the Christian LaCroix logo there. It has a front snap pocket, and it's got the same patterned interior that the first bag had. And this one, let's see if I can get it unzipped here. And this one is silver hardware, and then just a regular kind of full-size wallet in there. So very nice. This is a good one just to have in a larger tote, and then just pull this out if you need to go in somewhere. So very, very nice. Really happy with all of these pieces. All right, and next up I have a couple more. These were from an older shipment, so I just wanted to share these because I haven't listed them yet. The first item is a London Fog, very similar style to the last one we looked at from Christian LaCroix. It's another kind of wristlet wallet, and this is a gorgeous navy blue faux leather. This one was originally $58. It is the Daisy large size embossed wallet. So you do have the front compartment closure there. And this one also has the silver hardware. And then a nice full-size wallet in there. And I do love the navy blue on this one. We'll do $15 on the London Fog wallet. Definitely a nice giftable piece. And then I also have a small handbag here. This is from Nicole Miller, and it is a $60 MSRP. And this would be a really fun bag for the holidays. She is new with the tag and is a beautiful black sequins. So it's all sequins on the front. And then it does have a little kind of keychain here that has the logo. And then the back is like a faux patent leather. And Nicole Miller doesn't have the style name on that one, but there's the tag. And this is just a little mini shoulder bag, kind of Y2K style. And then on the inside, you do have a slip pocket. Really nice. And again, would be super fun for the holidays and New Year's Eve. We'll do $15 on the Nicole Miller. And that is brand new as well. So I'm going to get these two put up, and then we'll open the next item. And I do have a couple more purse lots that are on the way. So if I do receive them before this video airs, I may insert that. But if not, I'll add that video or those items into another video. So next up, I have a bunch of Spanx. And a lot of these may be the Assets by Spanx or the Star Power by Spanx. And there may be one other diffusion line in here. So first up are some Assets by Spanx. And these are a nude color, and this is the high-waisted mid-thigh shaper. This one is a size 5. It is 5'4" to 6 foot tall, 220 to 265. We'll do $6 on that one. This one I just had to open up so I could see what size it was because the faded sticker is covering the size. So it has been opened but never worn. That will be $6 for the size 5. And next up I have some Star Power by Spanx. These are the center stage pattern shaping tights, and they are in black. So they do have a ribbed texture on there. And these are a size C. They are MSRP $24. They're the ribbed row in backdrop black. And they fit 4'11" to 6 foot, 140 to 180 pounds. We'll do $6 on those. And I do have 3 pairs of them. If for some reason you want all 3, we'll do 3 for $15 on the Star Power Center Stage Pattern Shaping Tights. Those are nice. And next up I have the Love Your Assets by Sara Blakely Shaping Tights. And these are in textured wishbone. And they are a size 3 black. And there's no price on this one. They fit 5'3" to 5'11", 155 to 180. And I do have 2, 3, 4 of these. So we'll do $6 each, or if you want all 4, we could do 4 for $20 on the shaping tights. And next up I have another Star Power by Spanx Center Stage Pattern Shaping Tights. These are the Nouveau. So really cool pattern on those, a little bit different than the other ones. They're also in black and a size B. Those fit 4'10" to 5'9", 115 to 150 pounds. We'll do $6 on those. And I believe I only have one of that style. All right, next up I have some Assets by Sara Blakely. These are a shaping pantyhose in a size 1. And they are a nude color, tames tummy and thighs, stunning sheer leg, and these ones are 4'10" to 5'5", 95 to 125 pounds. We'll do $6 on those. And next I have the Spanx panties, the Power Panties by Spanx. These are in Bare. They are performance underwear that slims the tummy, thighs, and rear. And these are in a size G, originally $30. And this one, the size G is their largest size. And it does have the grid, so fits, looks like 5'2" to 6 foot, 290 to 325. And I'll just kind of hold that close so you can see the grid. It's much easier when they just have it spelled out. We'll do $6 on the Power Panties if anybody wants those. And I do have some more Assets by Sara Blakely Mid-Thigh Shaper. These are a size 2 in nude. And the 2 fits a 5'1" to 5'9", 125 to 155. And those will be $6. And then I've got another one here in the nude. I think we had one of these in the beginning of the shipment that I had to open. I think these are the same. They were both size 5 and in a nude. And these fit 5'4" to 6 foot, 220 to 265, $6. If you want both, we'll do 2 for $10 on those. And I've got one more. So I have 3 of them in the size 5. So $6, or we can do all 3 for $15. So great, really nice. I like getting this stuff. It's super easy to list, and a pretty good selection. I'm definitely gonna put a pair of these pattern tights aside for myself. I really like those. So that's a good lot. And then the other items are clothing. So I don't know if this is anything that is going to be of interest to you guys, but we'll just open it while it's here. But I'll definitely be sharing the other purses once those arrive. I was really impressed with all of those. All right, so next up I do have some t-shirts, and these are by the brand Dixon. And this is a motorcycle brand, and I think it was a collab with Sturgis. And first up, this is a size large, and it is white, and you do have the Dixon Sturgis hit on the chest, and then on the back you have the red and blue, and it says Sturgis, South Dakota. And this is a size large, 100% cotton. We'll do $6 on this one, and it is brand new. They do come in the poly bag, but there's no tags on them. And the next one I do have in a size large and extra large. And these are the same, so you can choose large or extra large. This is black, obviously, with the same hit there. And then you have the back logo, the Dixon Sturgis, South Dakota. So we'll do $6, and I have that. This is the XL, and then I also have that in large. And then I also have that in a 3X. Instead of white, it has a gray logo on it, but still the black tee in a 3X. That'll be $6. And then I have another shirt in an extra large. This one is a different logo on it, crew neck. And has the Dixon Flannel Company, Sturgis, and then there's the back of it. So really nice. We'll do $6. Just trying to give a really good deal to get this stuff moving along. So let me move that out of the way. And then I have one more package here. I have this t-shirt, which is really cute. I love the colorway on this one with the motorcycle. It says Yokohama Motorcycles, built for speed and power, Yokohama, Japan. Really nice beige color with the green and yellow. This one is marked a large. I don't know if it's a youth large or possibly a junior, but it's super soft and stretchy. It's 60% cotton and 40% polyester. And let me just get a pit to pit on this one, because I think it could work for a woman. It's just going to be a fitted tee. So it does stretch out to a 20-inch pit to pit. So on this one, let's do $6 on the t-shirt. And then I just have a couple pair of men's shorts. And these are a shorter inseam. It's a 6-inch inseam. These are nylon shorts. And they are like a gold and white striped pull-on short with the drawstring. This is by the brand RSQ and a size small. They were retailed for $35. We'll do $6 on those. And then I also have a pair in a large, and these are a khaki short by the same brand. And let me see what the material is on that one. It looks like it's recycled cotton. It is 98% cotton and 2% spandex. We'll do $6 on those. And that's all I have for today. Like I said, if I get any more items in, I may add it to this video. If not, I'll just drop it in on the next one. But I had to unbox this stuff anyways, so I thought I would just record it. If there's anything you'd like to purchase, just please send me an email. And I'll be back tomorrow with some jewelry and some more perfume and beauty items. I'll see you then. I hope you have a great rest of the night.